Hello viewers, I have received a new update on my iPad. As you can see here, the update is called iPadOS 26.6.1 and the size of this update is 516.5 MB. So I will update this to the latest version and show you what are the new things that you will get. This is actually a bug fix and security update, so it will mostly fix the bugs that were available in the last update. At the time of updating, as you can see here, the battery percentage is 54%, and let me show you the storage scenario. And out of 64 GB on my iPad 10th generation, iPadOS is 12.79 GB and system data is 15.18 GB. And again, I will show you after the update is complete. So finally update is complete, and after this update I will show you the display quality. So finally I have updated my iPad 10th generation to iPadOS 26.6.1. The first thing that I will show you is the iPad storage. As you can see here, I have already updated to the iPadOS 26.6.1, and let's go into iPad storage. You can see that iPad storage is about 12.79 GB and system data multitasking around 17 GB. So as you can see here, the screen is performing as it was performing before, and there is no problem whatsoever in screen quality. The display of iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation are very good, and there is no problem. It can definitely play 4K 60 FPS videos in non-HDR mode, as the display is not HDR capable. So I will check the freezing issue that was available in one of the last updates. Now you can see that there is no problem whatsoever in this new update, and you can multitask with ease. Up to 10 to 12 apps can be opened at the background simultaneously, and you will have no issue. So I think this is the beauty of iOS, and iPad is very capable of doing multitasking. If you want to know about the battery life, it is not possible for me to say anything about the battery life. I have to test this iPad 10th generation for about 2 to 3 days. Only after then I can say anything about the battery drainage, if there is any heating issue or not. So you have to wait for the review video of iPadOS 26.6.1. Also, if I go into the iPad wallpaper section, let me show you if any new wallpaper have been added with this or not. I think no, there is no new update that I can get after this update. So all these wallpapers or lock screens were previously available. So in this new update you will not get any new update. Okay, so hope this video has become informative to you. If you want to know anything about iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation, you can comment in the description, in the comment sections. I will answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.